So following on from yesterday's first lesson when we looked at multiplying tens and units by a unit, so a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, I'm going to run through two of what we did yesterday just to recap, and then we're going to go on to multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So if we take this as our, if we take this as our first one, 32 multiplied by 5, we remind ourselves 5 times 2. Remember, we always start at the bottom and go up before we go across and left. 5 times 2 is 10. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 1 is 16. Going across to number 2. 26 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 2 underneath is 10. So hopefully you were comfortable doing those yesterday. Moving on now to our third problem. So all I've done now is I've introduced 100 to go alongside the 10 and the unit. So 134 times 5. So it's the exact same method. All we've done is we need to do one more step to get our final answer. So again, I'm going to go 5 times 4 to begin, which is 20. Then I need to go from my 5 and I need to go across to my 3. To the tens column, so 5 times 3 is 15, add the 2 is 17, but I need to put my 1 underneath here to denote my 100, because I still need to do one more step like I said. So 5 times this 1 here, which is 100, 5 times that 1 is 5, add the 1 underneath is 6. So I'll go through it once more by here. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 again is 12, but I need to add the 1 underneath to get 13. And 6 times 1 is 6, add the 1 underneath is 7. So these are your problems for today. I know I say this every day, but remember to pause by here, and then we'll go through all of the answers. Okay, so again, pause, write them down if you need to, and get cracking. Okay, so hopefully you've worked out as many of these as you can. I'm going to run through them. If you did get any of them wrong, have another go afterwards. So for the first one, we've got the answer 335. For the next one, 272. For the next one, 208. 76 multiplied by 6 gives us 456. Nice pattern to those numbers. 124 multiplied by 5 gave us 620. 217 multiplied by 3 was 651. 156 multiplied by 4 gave us 624. 332 multiplied by 7 was 2,324. 240 times 3 was 720. And then the last one was 565 multiplied by 6 gave us 3,390. So like I said, well done if you want to go at those. And if you did get any wrong, go back and do them again just to check that your method works the second time.